and welcome to IP Study Video Lectures. Today we will explore Chapter 30, Forming Nouns from Verbs from your grade 6 English grammar. Now before diving into our lesson, let's learn what are nouns and verbs. Noun is a naming word. On the other hand, verb is a word that tells us the action. After going through the lesson, the students will be able to recognize how to form nouns from verbs by adding various suffixes, demonstrate the use of different suffixes to form nouns, interpret the rules to form nouns from verbs. Let's see an example. A visitor visited our house. Here, visitor is a noun, visited is a verb. So, now we will learn how we convert nouns to verbs. Nouns can be made verbs by adding er, or, ment, ion or ation at the end of the verbs. Now, a list of nouns made by adding er is given below. But remember, in some cases, there is a change in the spelling too. Let's see some examples. Advise becomes advisor, build becomes builder, dance becomes dancer, dream becomes dreamer, examine becomes examiner, desert becomes deserter, receive becomes receiver, sing becomes singer, speak becomes speaker, teach becomes teacher. Let's see the next one. We can form many nouns by adding suffix or. Calculate becomes calculator, govern becomes governor, create becomes creator, narrate becomes narrator. Now, a list of nouns made by adding the suffix ment. Advertise becomes advertisement, encourage becomes encouragement, postpone becomes postponement, treat becomes treatment, move becomes movement. Now, a list of nouns made by adding ion. Cultivate becomes cultivation, decorate becomes decoration, distribute becomes distribution, participate becomes participation, protect becomes protection, calculate becomes calculation. Now, a list of nouns that could be made by adding the suffix ation. Let's see some examples. Cancel becomes cancellation, declare becomes declaration, imagine becomes imagination, starve becomes starvation, represent becomes representation. Now, there are some cases where verb and noun form remains the same. For example, she loves to dance at parties. Here, word dance is acting as a verb. Her dance was graceful and energetic. Here, dance is acting as a noun. Now, there are cases where there is a direct change from verb to noun forms. For example, she can run very fast. Here, the word run. Run is working as a verb. He went for a run in the morning. Here, the word run is working as a noun. So, the verb run changes directly to its noun form without any alteration. Let's quickly recap through a small activity. I'll say a verb and you have to tell the noun. The first word is play. So, the noun would be player. The word is discuss. So, the noun would be discussion. The word is swim. So, the noun would be swimmer. I have only discussed a few examples with you. There are many more examples given in your book for you to read and practice. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.